Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to look at another actual example of using American Express Find Hotel and Resort benefits. And this time, we were at the Arrabelle Hotel in Vail Square, Colorado. The Arrabelle Hotel has one of the best ski-in and ski-out experiences in the area. Both the gondola and the ski valet are right next to the hotel building. Let's go through some of the Find Hotel and Resort benefits again. With the Amex benefit, they would allow you to check in by noon. I was there around 10 a.m. and they were able to check me in. Let's do a quick room tour. I believe all rooms come with a spa tub. Do double check with the front desk when you check in if this is important to you. I have a room with 2 queen beds. We're going to go through the rate and the fees in just a little bit. Here are more details of different room sizes. I was told my room was upgraded when I checked in, but it was my first time here. I wasn't sure what the standard room looks like here. Let's talk about free breakfast. In luxury hotels like Arrabelle, free breakfast doesn't mean just coffee and pastries. They would actually offer you full breakfast at the restaurant. Free breakfast credits are put in by the front desk, so make sure you do a room charge instead of paying with your credit card directly. Depends on the hotel, you usually get $100 spa credits or $100 dining credits. On hotels that offer spa credits, I usually have no use for it. But at Arrabelle, I noticed there was a $50 dining credit on top of the spa credits, and it was enough to order dessert at night. Here is the breakdown of my bill. They forgot to put in the breakfast credit for me, so they end up refunding everything to my card and just charged me $50 for everything, including tax. If you are a platinum card holder, do not forget to combine your $200 hotel credits. The credits showed up on my statement 2 days after my booking. Here is my final breakdown. And by the way, there is a small supermarket across the street from the general parking structure. It is in walking distance 5 minutes away from the hotel. And there will still be activities with the kids after dinner. If you find my video helpful, please give me a like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. See you next time.